This is David with Perma Pier Plumbing. I'm here at 2938 Sawmill Lane in New Braunfels, Texas. We're here at the end of the main line. This is a 2-inch 90 at 58 foot. This is going to the master bathroom. This is connecting to the master shower and bathtub. This is shown to be holding at this time. Here at 46 foot, we have a 3x2 reducer with some 2-inch 45s that are rolling up and to the left. We also have a 3-to-2 combo that's going to the, a 3-inch combo that's going to the right. This is connecting to the master toilet. This is shown to be holding. All of this is shown to be holding at this time. Right here at 43 foot, we have a 3-inch combo that's going to the left. That ends with a 2-inch 90 at 61 foot. That connects to a water softener that's in the garage. At 54 foot, there is a 3x2 combo that's going to the left and also a 3x2 reducer. That combo that's going to the left is connecting to the washing machine. This is all shown to be holding at this time. Right here at 41 foot, we have a 3-inch combo that's going up. This is shown to be holding at this time. Here at 39 foot, we have a 3-inch combo that's going to the right, ending at 42 foot with a 3-inch 90. This is connecting to the upstairs bathroom. This is all shown to be holding. Here at 36 foot, we have a 3-inch combo that's going to the left, ending at 38 foot with a 3-inch 90 going up. This is connecting to the hall bathroom that's downstairs. This whole line is shown to be leaking at this time. Right here at about 27 foot, we have a 3-inch combo that's going up. This is shown to be leaking right now. This is also connecting to the kitchen sink as well. Once again, this is shown to be leaking at this time. Here at 25 foot, we have a 3-inch 45 that's going to the left. At this 45 back to the cleanouts is all that is showing to be holding at this time. we're back here at the cleanouts. Right after the cleanouts, going in towards the house, is a series of 45s that bring us up and then level us back out with the system. There's also a 4 to 3 reducer. Back out at the cleanouts. This here is a 4-inch two-way. There is, however, a 6-inch line. The valve is missing here. And then there's another 4-inch single cleanout that's heading out towards the sewer line out in the street. These are all shown to be holding at this time. And that concludes a look at this sanitary system.